We are from California. We moved here from the Bay Area. We were in the public school system there. It was a really lovely public school system. It was just a really rigid environment for the type of kid my kid is. So we started to look at other options for schooling. We had been discussing moving out of the country for quite some time. So we chose Spain and started our search. And Learnlife was actually the first school that we found, and we fell in love with it right away. We did a trial day, and he came out of that day so happy and so excited about learning, and I hadn't seen him that way ever. And he walked out of that school with confidence, and he'd already made friends, and he said, "I can't wait to come back here." It made this major transition we were in, moving countries and school and changing everything, so comfortable, because the environment here, the parent community, the children, the teachers, the learning guides were all so welcoming. And having my son be excited to start school, it felt really easeful for us. A big reason we chose the school was for the emotional intelligence. We were hearing from all of the various people who work at the school and the parent community that the focus is really about raising good humans that know how to be good community members. And I'm really pleased to see Fitz's emotional development. He is learning how to conflict manage in ways I've never seen before, and he's speaking up for himself. He feels safe enough to say what he needs or to give feedback when something isn't going well, and that's always a really good sign for me.